Today, I would like to introduce this Ricoh Pro 8322. There are 6 versions of this series. One is the 8300s. With the suffix S, there is a copy function. It's not just printing. There is also an 8310 and 8310S. These two have different speeds. With an S, there is a script feeder. It is not a single print function. It belongs to the compound machine. There is also an 8320. The 8300 has a print speed of 95 ppm. The speed of the 8310 is 111 ppm. The speed of the 8320 is 136 ppm. The resolution of this series of copiers is 2400 x 4800. So the print effect is very clear. It can print automatically double-sided 350 grams copperplate paper. It's the same as the 7200. This is the main parameter of its machine. The same machine is available in a variety of configurations. So the first one is the finisher. Like here, this is a big finisher called the SR5120. It's more powerful. There is also a small one called the Senior 5050. Paper trays can also be selected. For example, the vacuum tray of RT5120. You can also choose the A3 tray of ART5100. You can also choose a 4 tray. You can also choose a tray that can print 700mm extended paper. You can actually choose an extended tray that prints 1.2 meters on this one. The above are the options for various functions. You can choose according to your own needs. Then this configuration is currently the most sold and most common configuration. S9's extended tray with a vacuum tray, plus the big pager. Here are some of the main features and parameters of a copier. So what kind of people is this copier suitable for? This copier is Ricoh's latest machine. There are still new machines on sale. It's a production black and white machine. It prints up to 1 million a month. It is suitable for high-volume printing. For example, schools, large graphic shops, production and processing centers, etc. for printing black and white documents. There's another one. It's also a very important user scenario. It can print more than 40 grams of carbonless carbon paper. It's a document. 1 document, 2 documents, 3 documents. This kind of file. This business. It's very low cost. What are the advantages of this machine? First of all, it prints very finely. It has a resolution of 2400 x 4800. So its documents are printed clearly. Secondly, Ricoh's consumables and accessories cost less. So it has a very low printing cost per sheet. It is suitable for the business of printing this carbonless carbon paper. So here's the audience for the machine. What is one of the main features of our sales of copiers? The copiers we sell are all low-volume machines. Under normal circumstances, this machine may print 100 West to 200 W a month. But our copier is only about 1 million. Equivalent to its wear is very small. Prove that the condition of the entire machine is very new. We can take a look inside the machine. You can see the condition of each component. This is a papered part. The overall wear and tear is very small. The remanufactured copiers we sell are all low mileage like this. Components wear very little. A machine close to a new machine. It is equivalent to buying a new machine at the price of second hand. In addition to that, our replacement standards are very high. We will also replace all those slightly worn accessories. And we replace them with original accessories. Do not use compatible consumables. This is to ensure that the entire machine is in the best condition. The third point is our testing criteria. We remanufacture each machine and we print a test page when the refurbishment is complete. In order to avoid problems with the waiting gap between manufacturing and delivery. We will also conduct a test on the machine before shipping. When shipping, I will send the test sample we printed. Samples like this are sent to the customer with the machine. Then let's take a look at the printing effect of this copier after remanufacturing.